Greeting, and welcome guys. In this step, we're gonna show how to create slider with layout 11 and publish the slider on the page. Click on the Create button under the Layout 11 slider banner. First, give the name of the slider under the slider title text box. It is optional. Now, click on Add New Image Slides button to add the image slides into the sliders. You can change slide position by using drag and drop functionality. You can add slide title, description, and SEO alt text in each slide. This work already done. Slider header, name to be displayed on product carousel head. Slide order by setting, allow to set the loading order of the slides into the slider. Click on Save Slider button and copy the generated slider shortcode. Go to the Pages menu page and click on the Add New to create a page. Give a title for the newly created page. Add the copied shortcode into shortcode block and publish the page. Click on View Page button to see the preview of the slider on the page. Thanks for watching the Slider Factory Pro Layout 11 video documentation. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.